Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the world top layer in Photoshop. Layers are backbone of any Photoshop projects and understanding the different types of layer can take your skills to the next level. So if you are new in here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon and stay updated with our latest tutorial. Let's get started. So before we jump into the specific, let's quickly recap what layers are. Think of the layers as transparent sheet stacked on top of each other is containing different elements of your design. They allow you to work on individual components without affecting the rest of your projects. So first we have the background layer. This is the default layer when you create a new project, and it's often served as a canvas or base layer for your design. To unlock the background layer, make it editable, simply double click on it and hit on the OK. Or you can just unlock it by double click here, and you can use this one, and it can give you unlock. Okay, the next we have the text next layer, and this specially designed for the editing and manipulating text into your design. You can change the color and the size, so you can create the text layer, select the text tools and click on the canvas and just click over here and type here whatever you desire. Like for example, if I say something here, and before I will just make it here the text, and let me use this one. This will be the text in here, and here we have now this text. Okay, so make sure I can just write in here the text in there. Okay, and also you can also use the characters and paragraphs panels, fine-tune the text by using here, and it will give you, or you can change the font points, changes the font styles if you want to use by selecting the text, and you can change this one. Okay, and also shapes layer are great for creating geometric elements like rectangles, circles, and pillow or polygons. They are vector based, meaning they can sized without losing the quality. Okay, so across the shape tools, choose your designs or desired shapes, and you can just select from here. Let me use this size, this tools. If I'm gonna use the circles and just drag on the canvas to create it, and here we have now the text and shape tools and propositions to tweak the appearance, or you can change the colors if you want to use. You can change this one if you want to use this one, and also you can use it and you can change the color from here, and you can also work with the different one. Okay, so here we have now the shape, and now let's talk about the adjustment layers. These layers allows you to make non-destructive changes to your images, such as adjusting brightness, contrast, or color balance. So here we have now the two layers, and here they are the text and there are the shapes one. I want to work with this like the text, or I can work with this shapes one, and go to the adjustment, click over here, and you can use this show your saturation and different one by using it. Can give you the different panels or different with the adjustment, and also you can change your several options from the black and white and this color combinations. You can work through this one. Okay, and also the smart objects are the game changer. They allows you to update raster or vector images with your project and maintaining their original quality, and they will additively by clicking and right click on the layer, and you can easily convert it to by using the convert to smart objects, and now it's converted to a smart object. Okay, so and there you have it, a brief overview of different types of layer in 4D shows. Mastering this will give you more controls and creativity of your design. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.